Bamboo is an amazing plant that we can begin to utilize for building. But in order to make it worthwhile for building, we need to treat it. Most people are used to bamboo as being something that tends to fall apart after a few years. But with like any lumber product, it needs to be treated to protect it from insects that just want to eat it all up. And so when we come to decide on appropriate treatment for bamboo, we want to focus on certain things. We want to make sure that the treatment solution that we use is not going to be toxic for the environment, that will be able to penetrate the cell walls deeply so that it could remove the starches from the bamboo, and that we can also dispose of the leftover treatment in an ecologically friendly way. And so the solution that has been designed by folks mostly out in Asia, where they do a lot of bamboo building, is pretty much a solution of 2 items, mostly items that you could get at your local hardware store. We have boric acid, which is pretty much the same as roach poison. And we also have ourselves some borax, which is stuff that people generally use in their laundry detergent. Borax and boric acid, they sound alike, but they are 2 different materials that we need to include into our solution. And the ratio for our solution is going to be about 6% borax, 4% boric acid, and then 90% water. So let's go ahead and mix our solution up. So we're going to start off with getting 1 part borax, which is our 6% solution. And you can see it's not rocket science. And we're going to just fill this up with a little bit less of boric acid. And before we add water, we're just going to mix that up just a little bit. And of course, if you do this at home, you're going to have different equipment than I do to use to measure the amounts that you have. So be sure that you work out the math first before you start to mix it all up. Mix our solution. Alright, so here we have our finished solution. Once again, 6% borax, 4% boric acid, 90% water. And when you're ready, you can add this into your bamboo, either through the Bouchier method or the vertical soak diffusion method that we've already highlighted on this channel. And you could be able to treat bamboo combs of your own so that you can have bamboo for projects that'll last decades. Now, you can store this solution for a couple days, but once you mix it up, you do want to be sure to use it pretty soon. So I hope this helped you guys learn a little bit more about how you can treat bamboo on your own. And be sure to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be doing a lot more videos coming up on how to build with bamboo. So if you're interested in building with bamboo, you're not going to want to miss it. Alright guys, till next time, ahui ho.